Guys, welcome to a new video from the channel. This time we check how to set up a business email for Shopify. So let's start. With these emails we can do it. You create an email address for business or professional use and only to use at gmail.com. Instead of this, we can use info your company name.com, and this is very important to look professional as business, because if you want to run a company, you really want to have a business email. Well, now that you are in this email.com, just scroll down and you will find here the packages. We will use this one that is mailer. This one offered you $2 per month, $2.99 per month. And also, guys, it's important to know this, that if you use our code and also our link in the description below, you will get the 80% off from that amount. Also, we give you a 30-day money back warranty. That means if you don't like service, if you don't like how it works, well, this will give you the money back to you. It's important to know it. And now just click here on order now if you want to, and here you can read the benefits that it give you: 3 mailboxes, unlimited data traffic, live in 2 minutes. And also, guys, well, if you want to have support 24 hours, so easy emails give you and easily. And also, if you want to have the email quickly, well, as I told you, 2 minutes you will get it. So it's important to know it. Then if you like it, just click here on order now. You will transfer to the payment page. You can see here the price per month, $2.99. But as I told you, we have a code for you that if you check here at promotion code, just click on how to and just apply it, and you will see that it means that we give you the 80% off from that price. So just wait a little bit until the code is ready to use. Here appears that it's ready, and you will see the discount that they'll give you. Wait a little. Okay, just click here and just write it, and you will see here the 80% off for month. So it give you the 80% off and just only pay 60 cents. So now just write your email and write your company email address to be. In this case, you can write it, and then just payment method, card information, month and year, and CVC, and your card holder name here. Your country and region, you can select whatever region you prefer, and that's it, guys. As you see, it's very easy to do it. You will get your email in 2 minutes. I hope this works for you guys. Thank you for watching this video. Remember to subscribe and don't forget to give us a thumb up to this video.